it's your boy Amash Riley. I'm here with Ron. God damn it, this is his YouTube channel. God damn it, or you might be seeing this on Instagram. I don't know how you're seeing it. It might be in Instagram stories. Whichever way, listen, Ron, obviously he came out, he supported the thing. We wanted to do some drone shots, something like this. Actually, do you know what? Ron, bring back that shot. I know you just showed him a shot, just bring it back. Let's put on drone music, something like this. Boom, alright, did you hear that? Now, imagine a quick transition, yeah, of this. Alright, now listen. Now this drone shot you guys are gonna see, it's gonna show Croydon, okay? So now everyone's probably going up right now. He's going up and up and up. Actually, I'm lying, that's never wrong, that's Ash Riley, you know. For the goddamn DJI. Honestly, so now, Brown's now gonna add in music right about now. Now that feels cinematic right now, innit? Look at that. Look at that. Croydon. Yeah? Okay, you see the scenery now? I'm showing you some of the foreground. You see the trees from the ground. Look at these people that are walking in this shot right now. It's nice. It's nice. DJI, by the way, we're using right here today. So yeah, it's the guy behind the camera, and you guys can see. Let me see if I can get him. Yeah. Boom. There you go. What's up? That's the boy Ron, as you can see.